when Mr. Abdul Khalik Sheikh and also the Director General spoke, I hope he talked about, you might have not liked the discipline, but I believe discipline in every area, because now when you go out, you will probably be, and most of you would be heading departments. Once you're promoted to grade 20, you've been doing, you've been in the supporting staff, but now you'd be leading the department, and you'd want your subordinates to have discipline. So you can only do that if you follow discipline yourself. I guess it's the Bible which says, "Do unto others what you'll have do to you." So that should not be a constraint. I believe discipline, and especially the uniformed people here that I see, are used to discipline, and you can't work without discipline. That goes for all facets of professions. Secondly, as I said, I hope that you've used these 4 months, almost 4 months, that's a very long time, in learning something new, learning from the faculty, learning from the visiting lecturers who came over, and learning from each other. That would have been the most valuable part. And I'm sure that you would take the experience that you've gained here into your services and contribute towards public service. You've chosen a career for public service, as the Honorable Director General said.